So this was my first time coming at the National Productivity Summit. I was quite fortunate to attend it. I had the honor to be a keynote speaker at this event. What I learned from this is the various case studies that are brought upon us. There's so much to learn as to how these distinguished companies like Ashok Leyland presented today. And it was very interesting for me to know how they have been able to increase their productivity, multifolds by doing some small kaizens, which we all need to learn from. So I'm for sure taking a lot that I learned from the summit today, taking it with me. I have a lot of photos of the wonderful quotes, of the wonderful data that has been presented through many of these case studies. I'm taking it home and I'm, imparting that learning to my company and my employees. So overall, I do believe the Indian manufacturing is poised for greater heights in the next 10 years. And conferences like the one we attended today will help individuals and industry professionals like ourselves to a great extent. It doesn't take a pundit to tell that the next 10 years in manufacturing belong to India. The place that we are cementing in the world that only China could do about 30 years back. That's where we are right now. And, to learn from industry veterans at a conference like this is something that, we haven't had that kind of experience or the kind of exposure. At least me in my 10-year career, I haven't had this kind of exposure from any other conference. To actually have those case studies presented to us and, step by step learn how these companies have evolved, how they have increased their efficiencies, reduced their manpower costs, increased their EBITDAs, that is very interesting to me.